First, we define Blynk order token to connect with the Blynk application at the very top of your code. And next, we define the Blynk print serial to redirect off built-in Blynk status print so you can print the value on the serial monitors. And next one is a library for Blynk and ESP32. Now we declare Blynk order token and SSID and password so your ESP32 can connect to your Wi-Fi. Next, we declare bool alarm mode and set it to false as default. And we declare int sensor on pin 22, buzzer on pin 21, and alarm LED on pin 4. For this one, it's Blynk right on the virtual pin 4, which is connected to the segmented switch on the Blynk application. So as it is a segmented switch, so we're gonna have two cases for this. For case 1, if we press this, it's gonna print alarm on the serial monitors and set alarm mode to true and alarm LED to high as we open the alarm. And for case 2, if we press on the other side of the switch, it's gonna print alarm off on the serial monitors and set the alarm mode to false. Also, the buzzer and alarm LED need to be low as we close the alarm. And for these functions, as we are using normally open magnetic sensors, if the sensor detected high, print high on the serial monitors, and as it's connected to the virtual pin 3 on the Blynk application, which is a label value, we print close on the label value on Blynk and set the buzzer to low. But if the sensor detected low, print low on the serial monitors and print open on the label value on Blynk. But if alarm mode is also on, we set the buzzer to alarm and Blynk notification set alert door is open when alarm mode is on. And there is a serial code over here to display the interface in the serial monitors.